also known as Girly Girl Style. Welcome back. If you are brand new here, I am an online reseller and YouTube content creator, and I share all kinds of tips and tricks to help you make your online reselling business even better. And one of the most important things to make your online reselling business successful is to have the right tools. So this video is actually going to be a sponsored video by Neewer. Nope, Neewer. They told me how to pronounce the name, but by Neewer. And let me tell you why. So if you've watched my channel before, I've never promoted a product, or if I have, it's just been on my own. It hasn't been a sponsored product. And it's not that I haven't been approached. I have been approached a number of times in 2019 to do partnerships or sponsorships, and nothing actually felt right. It didn't feel organic. It didn't feel like something that I truly believed in. So at the beginning of the year, when Brandon at Neewer reached out to me, we really like your content and we'd love to send you our product and have you do a review for us and just let us know. So this video is going to be sponsored. I was sent a free product from Neewer to give y'all a review of number one, the product, how easy it is to put together, and then also I'm going to show you how it works, and we can go through this journey together. So a little bit of background. Again, if you're brand new here, we sell a lot of clothing online and we do a lot of social media posts, and we have, light boxes. We have a studio set up in our apartment and it works really well for things like clothing. We have our mannequins. But one of the things that we struggle with is taking pictures of shoes. And I'll pop up a picture right here so you can see what our current setup looks like. Now, I will let you know, Bill is, the main photographer. So I have a full-time job during the week. So he is gracious enough, he runs the side of the business and he goes and he cleans the items and he'll get most of the photographs and send those to me. And he's been doing the best that he can with what we have available. So at the beginning of the year, I told him, hey, maybe we should up our game a little for 2020 and get a light box. And then we looked at the, different light boxes that there were out there, and we just couldn't make up our mind. We were kind of stuck. We were like, well, I don't know which one to get. Who knows? They're all so different. So Neewer reached out, like I said, and before I agreed, I went on to Amazon and I looked at a ton of reviews. I mean, tons. They have thousands and thousands of reviews. And I made sure that it was a company that was reputable and that it was a product that I would actually be comfortable in sharing with all of you. So I ordered from them, or what I got from them was a new light box. And the reason this is so exciting is because, again, being able to take those quality pictures is so important. It can help save you time, which is money, and then it can also give you more of a quality picture of your product, so no matter what you're selling. I also have a few home goods and, jewelry items that I'm keeping to take photographs of, but I just haven't done it yet. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna unbox this light box and then we're gonna set it up together, and I'm gonna show you, hopefully, just how easy it is to take a picture using the light box. So let's just dive in. Okay, so first of all, funny story, I can barely pick this up. I'm gonna do it. It's 12 pounds, it's pretty big. Bill had to, here in Spokane, Washington, I think it had snowed like 6 inches, and Bill walked down in the snow to pick this box up from our P.O. box, and he was a trooper. He carried this giant box home and didn't bring gloves, so his poor little hands got a little cold. But anyway, I'm so glad that he did, and I have been excited about filming this video for the last couple of days. So I'm gonna just open up, in fact, let's take a look at that. Hi there. Okay, so we're gonna open this box up. Maybe. Oh, that was really loud. Sorry. Oh, you don't even need a knife. Okay, excellent. So it is open, and then inside, it's a box in a box, which is good. It means that it's been protected. Okay. Go. Oh, cute. Oh. Oh, there's stuff in here. All right. So let's take a look here. I'm going to be careful with those. All right, so this is the company, and it's pronounced Neewer. Newer, like more new, is the way they told me to remember it. Neewer. Again, they have great reviews online. They're a very quality product. I am just going to do this. I am diving right in. I don't know if there's instructions. I don't see them, but I'm pretty tech savvy, so it kind of makes sense. Oh, this would probably go like this. Let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, lights, top. Now these, I will be using, I see multiple. Let me show you. So these are the backdrops, and it comes with multiple backdrops. So you have gray, orange for contrast. We have black. And then we have what I'm going to be using probably all the time, and that's white. So I'm assuming I probably should have put this in first, but it may not even matter. Let's see. Okay, pop your head in here for a second.
Hello.
I just had to get help. Okay, not because I don't know what I'm doing. And there were instructions, by the way.
So if you do get one of these, just so you know what happened. So she was trying to find the fourth side to this thing. It was locked in the back. So just make sure that you pull the Velcro out, and then it will become a box.
Perfect.
Hence, light box. See ya.
All right, so now Bill has come in and saved the day, and he pulled that side out. So when you're putting it out, it's not difficult. You don't even need instructions. It's simple. It's a box, but there is a hidden panel. So just make sure you grab the hidden panel. Now, I did see online some pictures, and you can put it up a few different ways. So let me. Alright, so do you see that? Now we're going to plug this in. See what happens when that happens. This elastic here. Yeah, now you could do a couple of things. So you can close it up like this, and then you can take a picture by opening the flap. We'll take a look at that. But let's just see. Plug in our light. Let's action. Oh, and you can control the light. Okay, so you can control the light with this. You have your little handy dandy thing right here. You just turn it, and I did that without even looking at it, so that's pretty good news. Look how bright that is. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm gonna have to be careful because I do have a dog, and so you wanna make sure you don't wanna get that dog hair in there. All right, so remember earlier, I popped up a picture on the screen of a pair of shoes that was a little dark. I mean, the picture wasn't bad, but it was a little dark because they're a dark pair of shoes. So let's try our first picture. Great, so I popped open the little window. So there's a little window here. You pop it open, and there we go. Look at that. This is what the lighting looks like inside the box. So cool. So now let me step back a little bit so you can see actual size and how much space it takes up. Now you did notice that it does break down, so you can certainly break it down very, very easily. All right, well, now that I've had a chance to play with it, I know Bill really wanted to check it out. So let's go, without telling him how to use it, see how easy it is for him to take a picture. Just brought it out, the Neewer photo light box, to Bill. He just went and grabbed a pair of shoes, and there's Lily. Hi, Lily. You wanna go in the box, Lil? She's like, no. Oh yeah, be careful of her in the box, because the hair. So Bill's setting this up. You may not even have to do it side. Oh, yeah. And yeah, you'll be able to play around with it. Did I plug it in? Oh, there we go. And then close it on up. Make it a little bit easier.
Like a deer blind?
Yeah, like a deer blind. I don't know what that is. What's your final thought?
Oh, after I mess around with it, I mean, the light's great. It's the brightest light I think you can get, especially for shoes. That way you're just focused on the shoes and not everything else going around. But yeah, I think as soon as I just get these things a little bit more
lined up. Yeah, we did put it together in haste for sure. All right, so we just unboxed the Neewer 120 LED 20-inch light box. Showed you how to set it up. It's not as hard as I made it seem. Please don't judge it by that. But it was super easy to bring down and to open back up and to carry. So I moved it from here to the studio back to here. Bill did help with that. So it's easy to set up. The light was extremely bright. It was so bright. And I do want to pop up a couple of images here of the pictures that we took. So you can see these are unretouched. I want to show you realistically what those photos will look like. And you can let me know, if you think that they look better. I will tell you 100% they look better. And they're going to be so much easier. This is going to be so much easier to photograph my jewelry pieces, to photograph my home goods pieces. So I'm really excited to have this light box in my life and to really see how it can make my business even better. So if you're interested in this product, I told you it was sponsored. Right down below, I have my Amazon affiliate link. If you click on the link, it'll take you right to the product. And if you're looking for a good, affordable product to help improve your business, I would say yes. Bill says yes. Lily says yes. It doesn't hurt to try it out. So hopefully this has been an informative video and you learned about, if anything, light boxes, but Neewer products definitely are quality products. And yeah, I'm really excited to play around a little bit more, maybe tonight, with my new light box. Okay, everybody, until next time, see